Hi, my name is Eric Sean Campbell, and welcome to this free course where you're going to create a live WordPress website and sales page that can accept credit card payments in less than 1 hour. And what you're looking at right now is the finished sales page that you're actually going to create by the time you go through this course. And what's so incredible about this is if someone were to click to buy your product, they can click, I want this, and enter their credit card information or PayPal information to actually purchase your product from you. And then this company, Gumroad, that we're going to use to create your product will pay out all that money to you, which means that you can go from having this idea of what you want to sell to an actual physical thing in the world that people can buy in less than an hour. And this is what stops most people is they get so excited about the potential of an idea, but they don't actually create anything in the world. And a lot of this resistance comes from the past where these technical tools used to be so hard to use. I remember 5-10 years ago, doing what I'm doing right here would take days. And you have to figure out all these complicated programs. But now the tools are so easy that you can learn how to do it in less than an hour. And even if you don't already have a product to sell, just knowing the skill of how to create a WordPress website that's live on the internet and then how to sell something on it is going to make you feel really empowered. So when you do have that idea that you're ready to put out into the world, you know you can do it in less than an hour, and you can actually turn your dream into something real and not something that just lives in your head. And as an added bonus, because these tools are so awesome, by the time you go through this course, not only are you going to create this sales page that's live, but you're also going to make sure that your sales page is optimized for mobile devices. So this page, if you were to visit it right now on your phone, would look great. And that's important because about half of the website traffic that you can expect to get is going to come from mobile devices. So we want to make sure we're capturing all 100% of those potential sales. And that's why you're going to learn how to create this professionally designed sales page that is optimized for mobile that can accept credit card payments. And as a bonus, there's a video that also is included in this course where you can learn how to create professionally designed PDFs in minutes using this free online design tool that I think is just incredible. And that's the tool that I use to create this PDF front cover image right here in a matter of minutes. So this course is titled How to Create a WordPress Website and Sales Page in Less Than 1 Hour. And it's broken up into 4 different videos. And each of these videos are action focused. So it's not just you passively sitting back and watching me do this, but I'm actually going to be inviting you to follow along and take the exact same steps that I'm taking. And these steps are really easy once we break it down into bite-sized pieces. And in the first video, you're going to be creating a hosting account, which you can think of as your spot in the cloud where your website's going to live, and then learn how to install WordPress onto that place in the sky, your hosting account. And after the first video, you're actually going to have a live website that exists online. So when someone types in a domain name that you choose, they're going to be taken to your WordPress website. Now, there won't be anything there by the end of the first video, but it's pretty incredible to think that anyone in the world will be able to visit this thing that you create by the time you complete this 15-minute video. In the second video, you're going to learn step-by-step how to install my all-time favorite WordPress page building plugin, which is a tool that we can use to easily design professional-looking pages onto your WordPress site. And we're actually going to get our hands into this page builder and create a professional looking homepage that you can use as the homepage for your new WordPress site. In the third video, you're going to learn how to create a product to sell using a free online tool that's really easy and intuitive to learn how to use. And it means without having to pay anything for the service, you can actually create a product that you can accept credit card payments or PayPal payments for. And when someone buys that product, entering their credit card details, your product, digital version of your product, will instantly be given to them automatically. So you don't have to fulfill these orders manually, but as soon as you create this website, you could actually sell stuff while you're sleeping. And it could be passive income for you. And finally, in the fourth video, we're going to put together everything you learned and actually create a professional sales page where we go from blank page to a professional sales page that's optimized for mobile devices. That is the one that you saw in the beginning of this video that looks just like this. So I'm going to walk you through in the video exactly how I went from blank page to what you see right here. And to make things even easier, I've created a lot of PDFs as a free supplement to this course that have picture walkthroughs of every single step that you need to take these actions. So for example, this PDF you see on the right here walks you through exactly how to install WordPress, and it uses images to walk you through each of the steps. So in case you prefer to learn through this method instead of video, I wanted to include this for you, and both are great options to teach you how to do this stuff. And trust me, if you have a little bit of like, oh, this was so hard when I tried to do this in the past, I just want to use a simple builder such as Wix or Squarespace or Weebly, then I highly encourage you to go through this course and just see how much easier the tools have gotten to use. I really do not recommend using all-in-one site builders such as Weebly, Wix, or Squarespace, because although they look nice, they completely limit what you want to do. And I find it very frustrating. And if you want to create an online business, odds are if you start with one of those website builders, you're going to switch over to WordPress anyways. So might as well just start with the best option from the beginning. And just know that it's gotten so much easier to use over the past couple of years. And especially this year in particular with the page building plugin, you're going to learn how to use inside of this course. And all of these PDFs are attached to the videos inside this course, so you get them immediately after you join. And finally, I've included that bonus video, like I mentioned earlier, that walks you through how to create professional PDFs in minutes using that free online design tool that I think is just so powerful. So my name is Eric John Campbell. I'm excited to have you here, and I can't wait for you to actually take action and build a live sales page with a product to sell in less than 1 hour.